Last year on the television programme Antiques Roadshow, a painting was said to be worth £15,000, although the painting had originally cost only 50 pence. As a percentage of the original price, what would be the approximate profit if the painting were to be sold for £15,000? So just in case you weren't aware, £1 is the same as 100 pence. So this means when it talks about £15,000, we're talking about 15,000. Sorry, needs 2 more zeros. 1,000,000. 1,500,000 pennies. This is actually our approximate profit, because 50 pence down here is very small compared to this number here. So this is our approximate. Because if we have this number of pennies, 50 more isn't going to make a lot. I've got a million and a half pennies. Just having 50 more isn't going to make a lot of difference. So we call this the approximate profit because it helps us with our calculations. So this is what we've got. This is what we had. We want it to be a percentage, so we multiply it by 100. And that's actually a 3 million% profit.